The Ukrainian capital of Kiev is burning overnight Wednesday as clashes erupt between anti-government protesters and police. Smoke and flames billowed from the trade union building, which is being used as an anti-government headquarters. People could be seen climbing on the side of the building as jets of water sprayed onto the fire. Earlier in the night, protesters stormed the Ukrainian Interior Ministry building, smashing windows and throwing furniture. The violence began Tuesday as police stormed Independence Square, the centre of 3 months of protests against President Viktor Yanukovych. Demonstrators tried to stand their ground, throwing Molotov cocktails and fireworks at police. At least 14 demonstrators and 7 police officers were killed. Late-night talks broke down between opposition leader Vitaly Klitschko and President Yanukovych, leaving little hope for a respite from the violence.
I'm very unhappy because it was no discussion and President don't want to listen opposition. They don't want to listen, and just one way is opposition and all protesters have to stop protest, have to stop the demonstration. Is it? But right now it's very important to make a break and no fighting anymore.
Western leaders have urged the government to bring an end to the violence immediately.